Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to pass the FAR CPA exam using an easy method. First, familiarize yourself with the exam structure and content. This foundational step is crucial for effective preparation. Next, develop a consistent study schedule that fits your lifestyle, ensuring you allocate enough time daily. Remember, understanding concepts deeply will serve you better than rote memorization. Let's dive into the specifics. To maximize your study efficiency, extensively use practice questions and simulations. These tools are invaluable for applying your knowledge and getting comfortable with the exam format. Always review your incorrect answers thoroughly. This helps pinpoint specific areas needing more attention. Don't forget to incorporate short, frequent breaks into your study sessions. This strategy helps maintain focus and prevents mental fatigue, keeping you sharp. Hey everyone, if you're finding these tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more great content. Quick recommendation. On another note, make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your study snacks fresh and organized. Check the description below for the link and other exclusive deals. Now, let's get back to the video. As exam day approaches, prioritize getting adequate rest the night before. A well-rested mind performs significantly better under pressure. Plan to arrive at the testing center early, allowing ample time for check-in and to settle in without rush. During the exam, manage your time wisely across all sections. Don't dwell too long on difficult questions. Make your best guess and move on to maximize your score.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.